Hey guys, welcome Technical Builder here. Today in this video, we'll see how to set up an iPhone without a home button. Your iPhone like iPhone 8, 7, 6, 5 or iPhone SE, they all have a home button. And while trying to set up these devices, it says that please press home button to start a setup. So whenever the home button is not working, you can't press home button for starting a setup. So now how to solve this and how to set up your iPhone. So for that we'll be using a laptop or PC with iTunes. So let's start the video. So starting with this, first of all we require latest iTunes version installed in your laptop or PC. Okay, once you open that, do one thing, connect your iPhone with a USB cable to laptop or PC. Okay, keep your iTunes open. So initially it will ask you set up as a new iPhone or a restore backup. So if you click on restore backup, it will automatically restore your device to earlier backup. Okay, I will assume that you are choosing setup as a new iPhone and moving ahead. Okay, if you choose restore from backup, it will automatically restore your earlier backup and you will set up your device automatically. But when you choose setup as new iPhone, there are things need to be done manually. So here if you see in your iTunes, once you connect to your iPhone, you get a device icon. Open the device or open a device profile, and here in this summary, do one thing, scroll down till the last. Okay, if you see here, just scroll down till the end and you will get an option called configure accessibility. Okay, open that and here just choose option called use voiceover. If you see the first one, click on that and choose a use voiceover and just click on OK, or just okay, just choose that, enable that and click on OK. So once you see here, okay, just continue this, accept the notification. After that your voiceover is enabled on your device. So now let's go to device and just check out the how it works.
Setup. Hindi. Button.
So guys, here what happen is that, so whenever you use your voiceover in your iPhone, that time whatever things or option you tap on the screen or select, that options your iPhone will take as a command and will proceed. So here we tapped on press home button to proceed or continue. So that is the command for your iPhone. So here, so automatically your home button got pressed and we proceeded. So now do one thing, you can go back to your iTunes. Okay, just open configure accessibility and just remove or disable the use voiceover, because now there's no need of voiceover because we can do it manually as home button is not required. So guys, that's it. So from here it is just like a normal iPhone setup. You can do it, there's no need of home button. You can do it on a screen as well just by tapping the options here. So guys, here once you complete your iPhone setup, the first thing you must do is that go to settings and turn on your accessibility shortcut, because it will be acting as your home button on your iPhone. Because once you lock your iPhone, you won't get it back, because for that also, to unlock your devices we require to press home button, right? So just make sure that in your settings you go to settings and enable your accessibility shortcut on your iPhone. So now from here onwards it's just a complete normal iPhone setup which you can do, right? So guys, I hope this video is very helpful for you, and if yes, if it helped you, then please give a like. Please subscribe for more awesome videos on iPhone tips and tricks, iPhone solutions and iPhone customizations. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.